Hey everyone, feeling like you're constantly fighting off sniffles? Want to give your immune system a serious natural power-up? Well, you might know about Amla, or Indian gooseberry, that little green superfood packed with vitamin C. But did you know that pairing it with the right foods can turn it from a hero into a superhero? Today we're diving into 5 incredible food pairings with Amla that will supercharge your body's defenses. Stick around because you're going to want to add these to your daily routine. Alright, first up, a classic combination, Amla and honey. This isn't just your grandma's old remedy, it's backed by science. Amla is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's crucial for our immune cells. Honey brings its own magic with natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. When you combine them, you get a dynamic duo that fights oxidative stress, which is basically cellular rust, and supports the activity of your white blood cells, your body's personal security guards. A simple way to enjoy this is to mix a teaspoon of Amla powder or juice with a teaspoon of raw honey in a glass of warm water. It's a soothing, immune-boosting morning drink. Next on our list might sound a bit pungent. It's Amla and garlic. Don't knock it till you try it. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which is released when you crush or chop it. Allicin is a rock star at fighting off pathogens. When you pair that with the antioxidants in Amla, you're essentially giving your immune system a double-edged sword. This combo enhances the function of macrophages, which are like the Pac-Man of your immune system, gobbling up invaders. You can finely chop some garlic and a piece of Amla and add them to a salad dressing, or even blend them into a savory chutney. It's a bold flavor for a bold immune response. Moving on to pairing number 3, and this one is for all of you who struggle with energy levels, Amla and spinach. Feeling tired all the time can be a sign of iron deficiency, which can also weaken your immunity. Spinach is a fantastic source of plant-based or non-heme iron. The problem? Our bodies aren't great at absorbing this type of iron on their own. That's where Amla comes in. The massive dose of vitamin C in Amla dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb that non-heme iron. So, a simple spinach salad with a squeeze of fresh Amla juice as a dressing isn't just a tasty lunch. It's a powerful tool to prevent anemia and keep your immune cells well-fueled and ready for action. Fourth, let's talk about the golden spice, turmeric. Pairing Amla with turmeric is like creating an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is famous for its ability to fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation can keep your immune system constantly on high alert, eventually wearing it out. Amla also contains polyphenols that help regulate this process. Together, they work to modulate your body's inflammatory response and manage cytokine activity, ensuring your immune system reacts effectively without going into overdrive. A fantastic way to use this is in an immune shot. Blend a piece of fresh Amla, a small piece of fresh turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to help with curcumin absorption, and a little water. Down the hatch for a serious wellness boost. And finally, for our 5th pairing, let's get hydrated with Amla and coconut water. Staying hydrated is fundamental for a healthy immune system. Your cells need water to function and repair themselves. Coconut water is nature's sports drink, packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. When you mix in some Amla juice, you're not just rehydrating. You're also delivering a potent dose of antioxidants directly to your cells. This combination helps with cellular repair, flushes out toxins, and keeps everything running smoothly. It's the perfect refreshing and restorative drink after a workout or on a hot day. So what's the big secret here? It's all about scientific synergy. These pairings aren't just random. They're chosen because the nutrients in them work together to amplify each other's benefits. The vitamin C in Amla enhances iron absorption from spinach. The antioxidants in Amla and the allicin in garlic provide a two-pronged attack on pathogens. It's a beautiful example of how whole foods can work together to support both your innate immunity, your first line of defense, and your adaptive immunity, which is your body's specialized response team. The best part is how easy it is to incorporate these into your life. You don't need fancy supplements. We're talking about adding Amla garlic chutney to your meals, drinking a glass of Amla honey water in the morning, blending a spinach and Amla smoothie, or creating a turmeric Amla shot. These are simple, tasty, and accessible ways to build a resilient immune system, one delicious combination at a time.